For almost 50 years, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have been cruising through the quiet expanse of interstellar space. Our farthest-reaching creations, each carrying a golden record packed with the sights and sounds of Earth. Launched back in the late 1970s, these spacecraft have traveled farther than anything else we've ever built, crossing frontiers we once thought were out of reach. We sent them off with hope and curiosity, and ever since, they've been sending back faint signals like whispers from across a mind-blowing distance. Every transmission is a fragile lifeline, keeping us connected to these tiny explorers as they drift farther and farther from home, running on slowly fading plutonium power. These probes were never expected to last this long. But here they are, way past the edge of our solar system. Their survival is proof of just how inventive and determined we can be when it comes to exploring the unknown. Out here, the sun is just another star in the sky, and the Voyagers have become our silent lookouts, sending back info about cosmic rays, magnetic fields, and the strange environment between the stars. But today, July 21st, 2025, something truly incredible has happened. It's a moment that's sure to go down in history. A faint, organized, and clearly intelligent signal has just shown up in Voyager 1's data stream. The pattern is unlike anything we've ever seen in all our years of exploring space. This isn't a glitch or a technical hiccup. It's a pattern that just doesn't fit, almost like a whisper from something out there. The signal repeats on purpose and with precision, hinting that there's a reason behind it. The silence of space has finally been broken. We're hearing a voice that isn't our own. For the first time ever, the emptiness out there has answered back, and the whole world is listening, holding its breath. The impact is huge, sending waves of excitement and maybe a little fear through the scientific community. All over the globe, experts are digging into the data, debating what it means, and wondering what comes next. For generations, we've asked if we're alone in the universe. Now, it feels like we might finally be getting an answer. That age-old question about our place in the cosmos suddenly feels a lot closer to being solved. Voyager's journey, once just a symbol of human ambition, is now at the heart of a cosmic story. Its adventure has become a bridge between worlds, bringing all of humanity together in awe and anticipation. Our most distant explorer may have just made the biggest discovery in human history. As we wait for more answers, the world is united, hoping, maybe for the first time, that we're not alone out there. To grasp this moment, we must remember the Voyager's incredible journey. Launched in 1977, their grand tour of the outer planets rewrote our textbooks and revealed wonders we'd never imagined. After their planetary flybys, the Voyagers were repurposed for the Interstellar mission, becoming our first emissaries to the stars. Against all odds, NASA engineers kept them alive, overcoming failing components and the challenge of communicating across billions of miles. Their instruments were built to study space, not to receive alien messages. Yet hidden in routine telemetry, a subtle, persistent signal emerged, so faint it could have been dismissed as a glitch. The discovery was accidental, buried in the data used to monitor the spacecraft's health. Now, the mission that refused to end has found something that could change our future forever. Voyager, a relic of a bygone era, has stumbled upon a ghost in the machine, a signal from an unknown intelligence. The universe has answered in the most unexpected way. The anomaly first appeared quietly, noticed by AI monitoring systems at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Amidst a hurricane of cosmic noise, a repeating complex pattern emerged in Voyager's plasma wave data. Unlike anything seen before, this wasn't a simple beep or pulse. It had nested symmetries and mathematical relationships unknown in nature. The signal bore the hallmarks of language, with motifs and a logical structure like someone teaching us a new alphabet. Scientists were skeptical, suspecting malfunction or interference, but every natural explanation was ruled out. The signal persisted, unexplainable by any known cause. The team dubbed it the WOW anomaly of 2025, a nod to the famous 1977 WOW signal. Unlike that fleeting event, this signal was continuous, as if Voyager had flown into a beam of information. The anomaly was real, structured, and coming from deep in the cosmos. The next challenge, decipher what it was saying. For the first time, we faced a message not of our making. The universe was speaking, and we had to learn to listen. Decoding a message from an unknown intelligence is the ultimate cryptographic challenge. No shared language, no context, and no cultural reference points to guide us. The task is daunting, like trying to solve a puzzle with pieces from an entirely different universe. The signal was pure mathematics, a puzzle with no picture on the box, only abstract patterns and sequences that hinted at a deeper logic. Enter Ether, a specialized AI designed for complex pattern recognition, now tasked with analyzing the signal. Its algorithms were built to find order in chaos, to see connections invisible to the human eye. Ether found a base 3 mathematical system, our first key, a crucial clue that suggested a shared foundation in logic and numbers. Like a digital Rosetta Stone, the AI correlated known mathematical concepts such as pi and prime numbers with alien symbols. The map showed a trajectory, a path from one planet to another, suggesting movement, or perhaps a journey undertaken long ago. The message was more than a greeting, it was a story, a carefully encoded narrative meant to be discovered and understood. It was a record of movement, perhaps migration across worlds, chronicling the travels of a civilization reaching for new horizons. The AI had opened a window into another civilization's history, revealing their journey, their challenges, and their achievements. For the first time, we glimpsed a narrative written in the language of the stars, a story told not with words, but with mathematics and light. The cosmos was telling us its tale, inviting us to listen, to learn, and to become part of a much larger story than our own. The decoded star map has ignited debate. Who sent this message and why? The leading theory is extraterrestrial intelligence, a civilization using mathematics and star maps to communicate. The star map points to a binary system in Ceres, 1,500 light-years away, showing migration from a dying planet to a stable moon. Is this a warning, a record, or an invitation? The message raises more questions than answers, deepening the cosmic mystery. Confirmation of extraterrestrial intelligence would be a watershed moment, shattering our illusion of solitude. We'd no longer be the center of the story, but one character in a vast cosmic narrative. The message could unify humanity, making our division seem trivial. Philosophies and religions would be challenged, forcing us to expand our understanding of creation. The message contains advanced mathematical and physical principles, potential keys to new technologies. It could be a gift, a helping hand from an older neighbor guiding us toward maturity. Our future could be shaped by this single act of communication. The universe has reached out. How will we respond? Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence is centuries old, but became scientific in the 20th century. Project Ozma and the famous WOW signal fueled the quest, listening for a message in the cosmic noise. We've sent our own messages, the Arecibo message, the Voyager golden records, hoping for a reply. The Voyager discovery is different. Not a targeted broadcast, but a localized ambient signal our probe happened to encounter. We stand at the dawn of a new era, witnessing the first rays of a future that once existed only in our imagination. The world around us is changing, and so is our place within it. Voyager's AI has opened a door to a universe more populated and interesting than we ever dared to dream. Its discoveries have transformed our understanding of what lies beyond our solar system. The question is no longer are we alone, but what do we do next? Our first step, learn. We must gather knowledge, study the signals, and prepare ourselves for what's to come. The star map gives us a target. Future telescopes will search for signs of life in Ceres. This constellation, once just a pattern in the sky, now holds the promise of connection. We may send a new probe, a multi-generational mission to investigate firsthand. Such a journey would require courage, innovation, and a commitment that spans generations. And we must decide, do we reply? What should we say? Our message could shape the future of humanity's relationship with the cosmos. This conversation belongs to all humanity, a global dialogue reflecting who we are and what we hope to become. Every culture, every voice has a role in this unprecedented moment. The Voyager message is a call to adventure, a symbol of our curiosity and our longing to reach out beyond our world. It is an invitation to join the cosmic community, to become participants in a story far greater than ourselves. It challenges us to be wiser, to think beyond our lifetimes. The universe is speaking, offering us mysteries and opportunities we are only beginning to understand. And we are finally learning to listen, tuning into the faint whispers from the stars. Our future is no longer confined to Earth. It's out there among the stars, waiting for us to explore and discover. The silent journey of a small spacecraft has brought us to the threshold of infinity, reminding us how far curiosity and hope can carry us. Now it's up to us to step across, to embrace the unknown and to shape our destiny among the stars.